Yeah. So today I'm going to teach you how to whiten teeth and eye on Photoshop. I'm also going to identify some mistakes people do. So you don't follow these mistakes, you do the right thing. So you can see this on this picture, the teeth is white. It has been edited. So I'm going to show you the before, and now this is the after. So now I'm going to go over this to show you how I did it. Now I'm going to delete this. Okay, so I'm going to make a copy of this background picture by hitting Ctrl J on the keyboard. So I'm going to select my 1 tool, my quick selection tool, and then I'm going to zoom on this image so that I can have a closer look of it. So I'm going to select the teeth carefully. So I'm just going to do the teeth and the eyes, at once. So it's just like using one stone to kill, 2 stones to kill a bird, or how they say it, using 1 stone to kill 2 birds. Okay, so now that the teeth are selected, I'm going to go ahead and select the white area of the eye, and I'm going to do this carefully. I'm trying to avoid the dark area. I'm going to select the other eye, the white area. Okay, let me use the polynomial tool, this polygonal tool. So I'm going to add to it to make a proper selection of this. Okay, now the selections are done. I'm going to zoom out. Okay, so now I'm going to create an adjustment layer and select the hue and saturation. So I'm going to move it to this corner to see the image properly. So I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see what I'm doing. So now I'm going to select the red, no, the yellow, because the teeth is looking yellow. So I'm going to desaturate it. Now I'm also going to lighten it. So now you can see the magic. So I'm going to play with this handle hue. Okay, to adjust the color. So now you can see the teeth is white as well as the eye. So I'm going to hide this. Now I'm going to show you the before and after again. So this is the before, and now this is the after. So you can see the after is much better. The teeth is white and everything looks perfect. She can now open her teeth and smile, and you guys can appreciate it. I'm going to zoom out. Now before and after. This is pretty cool. So now you know how to do teeth whitening and eye whitening. What else do you want me to teach you? Hit down the comment section and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell